Welcome to the kitchen. Today, we are assembling a high-protein power bowl in under 5 minutes. The success of this build relies on two active ingredients, honey and bee pollen, which provide a concentrated source of natural energy and micronutrients. To meet the 5-minute time frame, you must have your structural components ready, 1 cup of cooked quinoa, and your selection of pre-chopped vegetables. Front-loading this preparation ensures that the final assembly is a rapid, efficient process. Begin with the foundation. Place the warm quinoa on one side of the bowl and the cool mixed greens on the other. Arrange the chicken, avocado, and vegetables in distinct zones around the bowl, following a clock face layout to keep the flavors separated. This protein wedge represents the grilled chicken, providing amino acids necessary for muscle and cellular repair. The healthy fats from the avocado occupy the next major section. These fats digest slowly, extending fullness and providing energy lasting several hours. For the dressing, whisk together 2 tablespoons of honey, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, and a teaspoon of bee pollen. To prevent the oil and lemon juice from separating, we add 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard. The mustard acts as an emulsifier, a stabilizing substance. It allows liquids that usually repel to stay combined. Vigorous whisking is required to force the honey and oil into a cohesive, suspended liquid. The final character of this dressing is determined by terroir. This term describes how the specific environment, soil, and climate of a region influence the flavor of a food. Local honey and pollen contain floral notes unique to your immediate area, whereas mass-produced variants are often blended and lose these regional details. Mastering this localized emulsion allows you to create a recipe reflecting the specific ingredients available in your own region. Drizzle the dressing evenly across the bowl. Aim for a light coating that covers the greens without soaking the quinoa at the base. Add the final layer, a secondary sprinkle of raw bee pollen and 2 tablespoons of roasted nuts directly on top. A successful build will show a glossy finish on the dressed elements, while the pollen and nuts remain visibly dry. This physical contrast between the liquid dressing and the dry, crunchy toppings creates a varied and satisfying mouthfeel. With the assembly complete, you can experience the combination of sweet, tangy, and crunchy elements in a single bite. This process uses simple prepped ingredients to create a meal optimized for fiber, healthy fats, and micronutrient density. This methodology is modular. You can substitute the chicken with grilled salmon or tofu, or add feta cheese to change the flavor and fat profile. The value of this protocol lies in its adaptability. By selecting local ingredients, you can continually refine and adjustable to your personal preferences.